If you've been living with chronic joint pain or dealing with injuries that keep coming back, this video might change everything. Today, I'm getting a stem cell therapy injection in my knee, and I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like, how it works, and why it's helping so many people avoid knee surgery and get long-term pain relief. Now, I've been a competitive CrossFitter for over a decade. I even competed in the CrossFit Games in 2012 and 2013. Well, now, I'm 43 years old, and after years of intense training, my right knee has taken a beating. I've been dealing with inflammation, sprains, and mobility issues that don't stay healed. So today, I'm doing what I recommend to my own patients, regenerative medicine, utilizing advanced treatments that we have here in our clinic. I'm receiving a stem cell injection utilizing concentrated Wharton's jelly. It's a form of umbilical cord derived stem cells. Now, it's ethically donated, thoroughly screened, and cryopreserved at negative 120 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 86 degrees Celsius to keep the regenerative cells viable. Now, we also combine it with bioscaffolding, which helps the stem cells stay in the area longer so they can do their job, supporting tissue repair, reducing inflammation, and stimulating the body's natural healing process. Now, the procedure is quick, less than 1 minute. No surgery, no cutting. A small injection, that's it. It's non-invasive, outpatient stem cell treatment with absolutely zero downtime. Now, this approach is helping people delay or completely avoid joint replacement surgery, and it's a smart alternative to cortisone shots or just long-term never-ending pain meds. After the injection, I'm stacking our other recovery technologies like hyperbaric oxygen therapy, soft wave regenerative therapy, BPC 157, to increase blood flow, support stem cell activation, and boost recovery speed. This is how we deliver the full circle regenerative healing, and it's all right here in the clinic. So stem cell therapy has changed how we help people recover from injury and chronic pain, and now I'm using it on myself. If you're facing joint degeneration, arthritis, or just can't find lasting relief, you've got options. Call the clinic, send us a message, or click below to schedule your consultation and see if non-surgical regenerative medicine is right for you.